Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us imposter eating an Among Us crewmate. It's a little bit more of a dramatic view. I mean, obviously there's always the traditional one where, there's the side view, which I've done a bunch, by the way. But you can check that out in the playlist below, by the way. But this one I'm going to do a little bit more dramatic. I want to have the crewmate over here, maybe struggling, and then you got the imposter in the back. Kind of a little bit more dramatic, so... But good news is it should be easy, okay? And you should be able to follow along with me very easily. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with a crewmate out front. Curve over here for the side of the crewmate's visor. Curve along the top of the visor. Over here on this side of the visor. Curve underneath. Curve over here. Line up here to the top. Curve. Down. Alright. Now, well, actually, sorry, front of him as well. Front of the crewmate, straight line down. Now I want to have the tongue wrapped around him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve line over here. I'm going to go up a little bit here. Curve. Over here. Curve. So you got one kind of lap of the tongue, right? I'm gonna pull this line, still pulling through, and then I'm gonna draw another curve over here of the tongue. Go over here, same thing. Over here. This next one's gonna be closer, so curve over here, and then you're gonna have like the feet sticking out the bottom over here. Down, curve underneath. You got the teddy bear feet. Pull up. We're on this side. Down, curve over here. Up. All right. Now we're gonna have the tongue from the imposter going back. So I'm gonna start maybe over here somewhere. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you do like learning how to draw stuff in 10 minutes or so. I post 3 times every single weekday. Nobody posts as much as I do, so absolutely, do that. And when you do that, click the bell notification, because that's just gonna kind of give you the thumbnail of what I'm drawing that day. It's a lot easier. Excuse me, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. I think I'm gonna sneeze. I know it's not coming. Okay, I'm gonna have to ignore it, even though I feel weird. All right, whatever. I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna pull a line back. I'm gonna draw another line, maybe coming out of here this time, and finishing it up that area. So that's gonna be in the mouth over there. In the imposter's mouth. Over here, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm drawing the mouth first, right? So I'm drawing the teeth. All it is a zigzaggedy shape. Pulling across over here, you got the lips. Pulling down here, underneath. Zigzagging up over here, up, down. The lip. Up here. And now I'm going to go over here and draw the lower part of the visor for the imposter, curve around the corner, find the top area, curve over here. Alright, and he's gonna go off the page, so I'm gonna start over here at the top, up, curve for the top of the head, and that's gonna go off the page. It's like this looming threat. Alright, now I'm gonna go over here, go down, curve underneath for his foot, up. I'm gonna find the bottom of the body here, line, down, curve, and I think I'm gonna run this one off the page here, so I'm gonna go outward here. Alright, gonna go to the glasses area now, and I'm gonna go over here, curve on the corner right there, circle, over here, curve as well, circle. That's those reflective surfaces, you know. So as far as the mouth goes over here, let's go over here, up, over here, because he's going to be kind of opening his mouth, so he's going to stretch kind of the skin around the side. And you can kind of throw these lines over here all over the place. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hit the like button. Likes fuel the channel. Likes are the gasoline to the YouTube channel. So if you do like this or like other videos, go around, check out some of the other videos. I have cool playlists in the description, and there's going to be an Among Us playlist. There's going to be all kinds of playlists right there. Godzilla, all of that stuff. Go check that out right now. Also, stick around for the announcement. I'm going to talk about the full courses that I have. If you want to learn full stuff, like you want to learn like 2-hour, 3-hour lessons. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.